Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to use the wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Wind down is an automatic do not disturb mode designed to help wind users who lose hours to sleep from the addictive glow of their smartphones. Let's see how to enable this. First, go to Settings. Scroll down and find the option Digital Wellbeing. Tap on it. Now tap on Wind Down. If you enable Wind Down, it will change the screen to grayscale or block the notification. By default, this option is disabled. Toggle on this button to enable Wind Down. That's it. Wind Down feature is now enabled. Go back. You can see your phone turned into grayscale. If you want that Wind Down will turn on in a specific time, then enable the option Turn on as scheduled. A new option will appear. Tap on Set Schedule. Now set the start and end time when your handset will be wind down. And if you want to turn on wind down right now, disable the option Turn on as scheduled and enable it now. If you want to turn off wind down, just toggle off this button. In this way, you can use the wind down feature on Samsung Galaxy A30 smartphone. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.